Good morning. Happy Friday. So let's jump into the charts. So if we look at SPY, we actually saw a nice pullback yesterday. It was really nice and with high volume. So, man, very interesting. So we're currently trading right below 2 days ago low a day. If we could break yesterday low a day, if we show weakness, we could see some continuation. I just want to say that buyers have been really strong, so I'm not really expecting like a huge push. I feel like it's too early to indicate that or to say that, but again, even if we just chop around today and we actually have an inside day, it wouldn't look bad for next week. A period consolidation. That's kind of like what I've been saying for a while for us to see. QQ, very similar scenario, just holding a little bit more bullish. So we're currently holding around 455. Again, if we break yesterday low a day, I feel we could potentially see some sell-off, but again, a couple of days of consolidation wouldn't look bad. Can I foresee like a green push today? I mean, it could happen, but it doesn't seem like we're gonna be having that today. My main focus and only focus is going to be with Nvidia. Why Nvidia? Because it's day 2 earning play. So and yesterday, as you can see, we, even though like we gap higher, yes, we closed like a doji, but we closed bullish compared to everything else in the market. So I'm just looking at Nvidia moves a ton of points, and I feel like if we choose the direction, either to the long side or to the downside, I feel like it could potentially use some clean price action. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of eyes on the video. So it's just that I want to be patient. I want to be open-minded. Ideal best case scenario, I like it more to the long side, but I do want to have an open mind. But yeah, it's just pretty much day 2 continuation. Best case scenario, I would love to see us break and hold about 1,050 for a multiple market high. And then we have psychological low like 1,055, 1,060, potentially this day, yesterday high day. And if we could break yesterday high day, I feel like we could see some follow through. To the downside, if we hold below 1,050 and we see some clean price action, we could see a potential move to pretty much pre-market low. If we could break pre-market low, I feel like the doors are open for us to potentially test yesterday low a day. We do have this gap fill area. So we might get into that gap fill area. So I'm open-minded. Obviously, it's very bullish. Earning was good. We do have a stock split coming up. Usually, as I said yesterday, when we have a stock split, we tend to rally into that stock split. But I just want to pay attention to what price action tells me and trade that. But let's jump into a smaller time frame. So as you can see, we're holding pretty nice. We are rejecting 1,050. So that's why I feel like it's a big psychological level. Like if we could break and hold above that level, I feel like we can see a push higher. So with this one, just pay close attention to price action. We'll be focusing on psychological level for hold and clean patterns. Open play, hold of, so pretty much I do have open play if we actually open around 1,050. So if we open around this area, a hold of that 1,050 for a multiple market high, potentially psychological level 1,055, 1,060, and 1,063.2. I square this a C because again, it's more like listening to what it tells me, but we don't really have like, I don't really have anything clean. We're trading inside yesterday's price action, so we can see a choppy day as well. So I feel like, let's see what the opportunity presents itself. Playbook, no. Pre-market volume, it is high. Day 2 earnings, so just looking for us to establish a trend and trade it if we see some clean pattern. That's about it. And as I said, my only focus is going to be on the video. And the reason behind it is that we had a nice pullback on pretty much everything, and I'm honestly not liking anything else. And today is the last day after before a long weekend, so it could be a no day, no trade for me. I wouldn't mind. I just want to pay attention to what price action tells me and trade its pretty much trend. With that being said, that's the pre-market plan.